Minister wa maria maturigiciirie Keriako Tobiko riu nierekeirie maruru make kuri agethi a miti aria makoretwo makiandikira wabici yake magiteta kuma na hathara nene ria mathiete kuma na ikinya ria thirikari ria kurugamia ugethi wa miti kwa ihinda ria thiku 90. Handu-ini hake Tobiko nioririe aria othe mangikorwo na mateta mothe maneane kuri kamiti ya andu 17 iria yarugoririo ica ikuhi ni munini wa mutongoria wa bururi niguo matangikirwo.
Please don't bother yourself with telephone calls to us or any one of us. That really is of no consequence to us. Don't tell us who you know. Don't. That really should remain your own secret. But I can tell you for sure, we've got a job to do, and we are determined to do it.
Ningi Tobiko ni athire na mbere na gutiterithia ati riboti iria kurekererio ni kamiti ya mwanya iria yararugoririo niyo ekuheana mwerekera wa kana mukana wa thiku 90 ni ukweherio.
The task force will advise us whether to extend the moratorium, or whether to lift it, or whether in fact convert it altogether into a permanent ban. That again we leave it to their technical expert.
Tobiko no oritie maabitha ministry-ini yake undu umwe na honge itiganite iria ikuruhanitio na ministry iyo maigirire uhandi wa miti makiria handu-ini ha guikara wabici-ini.
I have issued directives to the ministry and all its components that all its officers, other than just the basic to run the offices, should get out of their comfort zones. Let them get onto the ground. I have also suggested to them that henceforth performance for promotion or for recruitment should be based on how one has managed to take care of the environmental factor.
Tobiko akwaragia hindi ya kurugorio hadi wa makiria ma miti milioni 200 guothe bururi-ini tugikinyeria mwaka-ini wa 2022 mutitu-ini wa Ngong.
What we're talking about a minimum of 1 million seedlings per county per year. And we're talking about then 5 million seedlings, and this is a minimum for every county, and multiply by the number of counties, we are talking about 250 to 300 million. And that should then take us by 2022.
Maya magithiaga na mbere mbura iria irathie na mbere na guthanda na ituri-ini itiganite cia bururi ni thiete na mbere na gucungiriria ikuo ndumwe na hathara nene kuria muthiururuko-ini wa Taj Mall mwena wa Embakasi guku Nairobi. Ngari nyingi ikwamire iguru ria kwaga gwa kugera ni muiyuro uria ukoretwo kuo kuma mbura yambiriria guitika. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njeta Kamau wa Mwangi.